Hi, in this video we will see how to create a sales invoice document. So under sales module, under transactions we have sales invoice form. So once you click on sales invoice, you can see already created some sales invoice are listed here. So here we have a series which we call it as document series or sales invoice series, which is to be created every financial year wise. If you see here, current financial is 16-17 and here 16-17. So here we have different status like active, verified, approved, posted. This is the actual document status. So when you click on add new, you can see a sales invoice form is loaded on the right side. This document number is a system generated one which is prefixed with the current financial year and which is not editable, and the document date is also a current date which is also not editable. So now I try to pick a customer. So when I click on the customer, you can see this is the pick list coming from the customer master, and you can refer how to create a customer master, a video. I'm picking Acer computers, and the taxes code. This is also coming from the taxes master. So you can also refer how to create taxes in the taxes master video. So I'm just picking CST 2%. So if you have additional details like waybill number, waybill date, you can also have. And also we have a trip sheet concept. When you click on this, this is the trip sheet which we have. This concept I will show you in the other video. And just simply clicking this trip sheet details. So in which trip sheet this invoice is going to be delivered. So and just if you see on the trip, you can see the trip sheet details. So you have also terms, payments, delivery, others, inspection details you can also have, and other remarks which is the free text you can have other remarks. And coming to the taxes tab, we have selected CST 2%. So CST 2% has come, and the address details. This is the address details of the customer, contact person details, and registration details. Once you click on submit, a sales invoice head is created, like 1,85,000 is created. So now I'll try to create a new sales invoice lines by clicking simply add new. Sales invoice lines is loaded on the right side. So now this document number and document data are same, which is carried from the sales invoice head. So I'll just pick the product name. This is also coming from the product master list. You can refer how to create product master video. So I'm just picking a product. So CST 2% is carried from the sales invoice head. So I'm just taking some quantity, and this rate is coming from the product. So you can change if you have any product description, you can also have the description. If you want to see the taxes, you can see the CST 2% is carried from the sales invoice head. So once you submit this, a sales invoice line is created here. This is one way you can directly go on click add new, and then you can add a product. And there is another way. So like in the invoice, we can also pick the quantity from the sales DC. This is the sales DC quantity which is pending against that customer. So out of 20, I want to deliver 5. I want to make a raise invoice for 5 quantities. So I'm just submitting this. So here you can see one line which we have created by clicking add new, and the other line which we have picked from the sales DC. And we also have other option like order quantity. So this here we can also pick it from the sales order quantity. So sales order, this is 9 quantities pending in the sales order. So I'm just taking 2 quantity and raising the invoice and just clicking on submit. Here you can see 3 lines. This is Dell laptop. So these 3 lines. So one line is we have clicked on add new and we have added, and the other line Hithan product we have picked from the sales DC, and Dell laptop we have picked from the sales order. So this is how you will create sales invoice lines. Once you click again sales invoice head, you can see the values like gross value, net value, round value, and total figures, and the taxes. So and if you want to take this printout of the sales invoice, you just simply click on this print icon. So sales invoice. So this is a sample sales invoice print format. Here you can see the discount, VAT percentage, CST percentages, and after excluding all the taxes, and we have the total value. So this is how you create a sales invoice document. Thank you.